Yeah, hello. Sup guys? What's going on? In this short script, I'll be talking about a very important uh question that many people have been asking online and also offline. So what I'm trying to talk about is a clear difference between a blog website and also a website. You have also login online and you see many websites in the blog and also a website. Then we also have some frequent asked question by many people online. They say, okay, what is a website? What is a blog? How to decide if I need a blog or website? Can I use a blog or website for my business? Can I make money with blog or websites? Can I sell on my blog or websites? Can I build a blog or website on my own? What does it? What about scaling my website? So that means all those questions that we are going in this short script in 20 minutes. So now the first thing out, what's really a website? Now I'll be explaining and also I'll be showing you. I already have two tab open here that simplify a website and a blog. Now I've opened it right now. Okay, this is a website for instance. This is a website. Yeah, this is a website. I'm trying to use the company website to just to explain this thing. So when you're talking about what is a website is just a stand web display. That means it's this website. All the things on the website from the cPanel, which is the hosting package. So this is the website and the blog. Now this is a blog. Is my time and whatsoever. Um, this is now the blog. Then you have a second question here. Is it what is a blog? So a blog is a niche enable user to write posts. You see, I likely want to like explain a blog like a diary. When you have a diary, you can just be jotting down and having a diary like writing notes. So now when you're like what is a so thing and you see a lot of search a lot of results that came out from the search engine, most of them are from blog because it's a constant writing. Then when you're talking about a website, you're talking about something that is statics. So now it depends on the particular business or whatsoever thing that you're into that will know the way. A blog is a constant writing, such as posts, pictures, videos. Also can be done on website, but it's not done on website because website is static. When a blog is already programmed for you to be writing posts. So that is what. Now let's look to the next question. Is how to decide if I need a blog? Just like what I mentioned earlier. You understand now. If you want to go into maybe you're a motivational speaker or a public speaker, yeah, I decide you going for a blog, but the two can be meshed together. That is a good news. You can have a website, you can also have a blog. So now you can have a website where you display your content, and you also have a blog where you display all your write-ups and communication with your users. So now, but if you're a writer, or maybe you are into fashion whatsoever thing that you like, you love this explains and next update, you really need a blog because that is where you can really publish all those things. Another question that people used to ask is, okay, why is it that blog and a website is having the same such as www.theirname.com? And the thing is that the domain name is different from the platform. A domain name is just the name of the address. They are all hosted on the web server. But the thing is just that the difference is that the website is on a bigger server, not a shared server. When I'm talking about big, like for example, when you're talking about the blog right now, I'm talking about maybe WordPress and bloggers and so on and so forth. But when you're talking about a website can be hosted on maybe GoDaddy or whatsoever. So now, okay, the blog has come up. Okay, this is a blog. As you can see, now also as getting many making money and all those things are posts and it can only be so that do you see the graphic appearance of it? The graphic appearance of the blog is different from the graphic appearance of the website. As or for business, that's good. You can use both for business. You can use your website for business. You can also use a blog for business. A blog for business, which is this. Let me just click on it. We are just writing up on it. A blog of on business. So you can use a blog. Why are you talking about using a blog of business? Is also that it is more preferable because it can work mostly on recent posts and taking your users maybe to products. Now you need to be sharing a lot of new things on the blog, and when they go to the search engine they will locate um your product. So that is why you need a blog for your website. For your business, you can also use a blog for your business, but you can use both. That is just the good news. Then now let's look to the next question. It said, can I make money with blog or website? Wow. Many people, there is nothing that you want to engage right now that you don't want a profit. There is always a profit behind every engagement. When you're talking about blog and website, it's real. Number one, you can monetize your blog just like the way this blog is right now. It's monetized. You can sell your products on your blog. Um, you can register under an affiliate. That blog is all just like a constant, it's static. He said, okay, can I sell on my blog or website? Yes, you can do it. You can sell your blog, you can also sell your website. So it depends on the one that you know that you want to go for. So both of them are really good, but you start depend on the money in your hand. Okay, we are getting there. We are getting there. Let's get to the next one. Ask a question again. Okay, can I build a blog or a website on my own? Wow, what a big use system. This content management system is one of the things that you need to employ or deploy the programmer. But before that can be done, also you need at least if 30% or 40% of computer knowledge. And in Two Star Technology, we build it for you, such as a blog or a website, and also send you a video through your social media for you to know how to manage by yourself. But I can't really give you the guarantee that maybe you can build it by yourself because there's a lot. Sometimes you need some technical. You can build it with a CMS such as a content management system such as WordPress and Joomla and so on and so forth. Wax, all those things are CMS. So you can build by yourself. But if you know that you can't do that, it can wait for you. So let's look at the next one. They say, okay, he said, what does it cost to build a blog or website? Wow. What happened is that it depends on the website or the blog. So it does not cost a lot. The only thing that you needed to have a website, number one, you need your domain name, you need your web server, you need to pay the designer, and you also, such as other things like advertising. Some I can okay, let me just give you for instance now. For instance, we can build a website for you like $300. We can build a blog for you like let me just say $80 or $60, such as your domain and everything got to be inside. The next question is that what about scaling my website up in the future? That is one of the important things again because everybody demand growth. When I want to start with with a blog, have in mind that when you expand, you need to switch also to website. So that means to have both the website and also the blog. So it depends on the one that you read. So now, as your business is expanding, also you must also expand the web page. So it depends on the one you got. So and the website is all about statics. That is just a clear definition between blog and website. We'll get back to you and follow you up and really assist you in